Merci beaucoup.
Alright, ici, ça y est, national anthem, c'est le temps de soir. Il y a une student. C'est où free baby, both Côte d'Ivoire and Ghana, the best of it, the bond tells you and your passing. But away and your phone, and your top, and and some money in it. Then you know, I Ghana for, and you're 67 years. I'm a in the city of Hanoma, you've been 67 years. Now, my car was there 67 years, so the main event, about Kosovo, Kofodia, or Chat, or the Ashanti of Mimosas and then. Now, and ASEC Mimosas of La Côte d'Ivoire, and Ghana, and Babylon. Yeah, Super Sports for every South Africa. And then we'll come and have this is so yeah, what's this one? Now, and then we said, in December, you better soccer, we should get it's even the cast of now. Now, so what we have found up on some perfect. Now, I'm not here, I come up. So ASEC Bobo ne fa Bonsem, Bobo ne fa Bonsem, and you and a friendly match, international match. You see the Ghana, you need to see a child woman here, in fact, President is one of the fans. Because President also the last year, and also we're able to go to your Obama fans. We took for Obama fans. And last now, what about Obama fans? In fact, we African champions, so much African Cup. So we know about young fans who was shared. Now, I'm going to say, I'm best friend was Zekro, so the party of 20 now, I am like, yeah, come on. Sometimes we look at the warm up and I have to say, the castle, which is in far. I said, for I'm going to ask the blue, the black room, and after we saw every Kuma, who red now, there's a cobia, Metema, and I'm almost come on. Now, see the car, I know, anthems, no. Côte d'Ivoire, Kane, the stories, ladies and gentlemen, we are waiting from now. The top men will join us, our dignitaries will join us, and once they're in, then we set for the kickoff. Once they join in, let's applaud them and let's welcome, let's give them a rousing welcome like we do. And once that is done, you'll go around the pitch, come and do the takeoff, and then we'll get ready for the anthems. After the anthems, let's translate that into French and then continue. So how do you see? So how do you see today's game? Who's going to win today?
Non, c'est pas facile, mais moi je pense que peut-être ASEC. Let's see it, right?
You think ASEC you have this is Kumasi can bring you into the world of Paris.
Si c'est Kumasi à Lille, c'est Kumasi. C'est pas facile de gagner à Kumasi, mais ASEC, ils sont aussi très forts. Oui.
And Kotoko are playing in front of the owner of the team. The two for say to the second. So I'm sure they want to impress their father. And so I can tell there's going to be a massive game this afternoon. In case we just trying to say a rousing welcome to you. I would say hip hooray to 67 years of independence in Ghana. I'm proud of you as you are of whatever we've seen at the moment. And I'm happy that our brothers from Côte d'Ivoire have joined us. And I'm sure they're going to sell some good things to us. We also are playing how Côte d'Ivoire played. And I'm sure we're going to see a bit of that this afternoon at the Mavera Sports Stadium. Students are not playing in my now, Papa. And then Safin Baba Hanma, Yabo Gala, Baku for second cycle institutions, and Yabo Baku for tertiary institutions. And I hear a tag of war. Second cycle institutions, Omo Private College, any Omo compatriots, Sakafia and the co-final, Sakafia from Addis. And I feel tertiary institutions, Apia and the University, and the University and the co-finals, and I came University for a year. And I feel tag of war, and if you jump Pabri, and the game before finals, and if you jump Pabri for a year. I see, and then I am in this part. Now I'm in a working day, but kind of for or does go and the man on the sports and then football, to the brain about Now, I'm saying, yeah, one to be back account. I'm not going to go story. No matter. If you see a reality, this time a reality about the names, it's a good time a reality doing that. After a while, but you know, I do want to tell you, I do want sports. I'm not drama. A reality doing that, not be I don't know. But expectations so high, and I'm sure we'll see some great soccer this afternoon. Any expectations, colleague?
Oui, j'espère beaucoup parce que ce match, c'est pas un petit match comme ça, c'est deux équipes sont les équipes très fortes dans les deux pays. Asante Kotoko, ils sont très forts, ils ont gagné plusieurs ligues. Et ASEC Mimosas est plus puissante à Côte d'Ivoire, ils ont gagné plusieurs fois Ligue et la Côte d'Ivoire. Donc, c'est après-midi, c'est pas facile, ça va se faire ici. On espère un bon match. Et merci beaucoup. Je suis la vérité.
Yes, and here we have international referees as well. We have international referees refereeing this match, and we have a prime minister in Kumasi. We asked when I've done the list already. And here we have some international referees in charge. From which country? Okay. Do we have their name currently available? Or we are not going to do it together? The name of the referees, do we have that? Okay.
He will be assisted by Komla Idiwocho and Abdul Malafia. My own Julian Munu is the fourth referee.
Okay, so the referees are from Togo. So this is like Aleko was saying, very, very beautiful, and I'm happy that we're seeing this because I mean this is the way to go. Yes. That's all be our brothers keeper, and that's how we see it. So, Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana, Togo, officiating. That is beautiful. And I'm sure we're going to see fairness, everything will be nicely done. So, those are referees warming up within the center circle as we talk from Togo. They made it all the way from Togo. So, we're going to sell some good football. Okay. Picture also, another picture now, sometimes I want to FA. Now, who's one pillar and some fair, they walk and say, Asante Mami na Masimaya there. Enti yesu ye na lase. Na odi bo kama bread ya. Na e o se yesu so na ye kama na bia ye pepe. Ya mamu na pa e ma ni mema ni na ya maka ha. Ye mi ni se le. Ye be shobo papa. E na se ngi to da. Na e bo no na kei. Na Super Sports asase aya omu ye already. Omu ta shots no kaka. Now, some African player, they are Super Sports, I don't know, so giving the best. And you know, and then the show said, they bring out good soccer. And the parliament here, radio stations, TV stations, and they do more say, hey, and the best part of our Kumasi. And I'm sitting around sports on there. And when the team back over, I tell you, but I'm not sure I say, everything says, sanitary. Was a maybe a trouble. I said, that time, up that child, one time. And in my Malapia, those times, and I park here, I said, I said, it's open. You will see, very December. Yeah, you want to add something to that? But you can say, cap. AC to my dear, so you're not going to represent the cap. Say, Bayer, Kotoko, and I said, you're not going to be on. Et crew yeah, you want to say that?
Oui, ce match est très important et le président a mis un coup dessus. Donc, n'importe quelle équipe va gagner aujourd'hui, il va enlever le coup. Si c'est ASEC, ou bien c'est Kotoko. Mais c'est pas facile, c'est la guerre, mais c'est la paix. On fait les terrains. On fait la guerre sur les terrains.
All right. So, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, anyone from now, we have some artists over here who are supposed to be performing for us. And we have Emrado and we have a host of parties. Some guys came here because of Emrado. So, anyone from now, we shall see Emrado. But let's go to the DJ and then get ourselves ready for that before we go. All right, DJ, let's have some songs and then get ready for the best artist, the sound of the country. Let's go. Right, DJ, one song, and then let's get ready.